Good evening, YouTube. Boxman Willie here with a Citation model number LML 2614A-67. This one is made in 1976. It's a rebadged Lasko. I just had an issue with this one. The rear bearing seized up. It seized up so tight that the bearing was spinning in the bearing housing with the shaft. So I had to dismantle it, and I used 3-in-1 oil to break that junk loose. What happened was it gummed up and the pores are clogged. So I got that all broke loose, cleaned the shaft real good, and used my heat gun here to heat up that bearing after I wiped it down, after I let it soak in that 3-in-1, and that stuff just oozed out and like turned to liquid. So anyway, I did all that and put it back together and used my usual Zoom spout oil to oil it when I put it back together. But so now I got it working good. So let's go ahead and run through the speeds here. Here's high. Rated for 2.2 amps, so that's very good. 2.16. There's low. And just like the Galaxy on the previous video, this one also still has its handle, which is rare. Because like I said in the last video, this generation of Laskos have been known for losing those handles. I guess it was a poor design or something. But I know there's many of them that the handles are missing. So, okay, well, let's go ahead and do a startup sound. And here's low speed. In case you're wondering what that extra bolt is for, when I had to remove the bearing, these Marco motors had tabs that held the bearing housings in. And as you bend them out, they break off. So I had to drill through there and put the put a bolt through it, drill a hole and put a bolt through it to hold it back in place. So anyway, here it is, my Citation. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe.